Hi, this is Rick Savitsky from Chortek. In this video, I'm going to discuss using QuickBooks Online with JobBoss2, and I'm going to specifically focus on some of the benefits of QBO specifically. This is not meant to be a commercial, but instead I'm going to really try to outline how our other manufacturing customers have taken advantage of using QuickBooks Online in conjunction with JobBoss. And it begs the question, well, why bother? And in short, they are two different systems. JobBoss, very strong and meant for manufacturing, production, cost control, the whole ordering process, whereas QuickBooks Online is a financial accounting system. And those two intents and the purpose of those two, when used together, really is the best of both worlds. And there's some additional capabilities that you can use in conjunction with the core QBO, which make it very powerful. And finally, it's actually much easier to outsource your accounting function or functions within accounting to a firm like Chortek. That's what we do, helping other manufacturers with their accounting processes when QBO, QuickBooks Online, is used in addition to JobBoss2. So here's a quick rundown. We're going to discuss the App Store, integrations. Really, the banking and credit card feed is a key capability for QBO, and then end with reporting. So there is in fact an app store when you log into QBO, and you have the ability to browse and look at other applications which are designed to work in conjunction with and alongside QBO. It's a long list. Developers are adding for QBO because it's the most widely adopted accounting system for small, medium businesses, including manufacturers around the world. So, long list of potential categories or uses of applications from the App Store. It's possible, not required, but it's possible to electronically link and feed QBO with your banking and credit card information on an automated basis. There's a large list of institutions. When they're added, it automatically each night pulls down new transactions. It's basically that simple. When they're brought in, someone on your accounting team, can match it to something that's already been recorded or categorize, add a classification, etc., so that it then gets processed as a transaction. It's very easy to set up rules that would take, say, text from the feed from the bank or the credit card and then automatically categorize either the right classification of an expense or a class or a location based on the text from the transaction. So things that are happening on a regular basis can really be streamlined and reduce the chance of either manual entry or even the time spent matching transactions. So that's a key capability. Again, the App Store has a lot of applications. Here's a few examples where instead of manually entering payroll, if your payroll provider has an app, an integration for QBO, it can be brought in automatically. So you're not weekly, daily, twice a month manually posting that. Bill.com is a powerful way of reducing fraud and also automating your AP process with approvals, electronic disbursements, and it's a key potential benefit that you can realize within your company when you use it in conjunction with QBO. And then finally, if you have a number of corporate credit cards or anyone in your business that gets reimbursed, salespeople for sales expenses, working with prospects, customers, and so on, Expensify is a great example of how you can automate and streamline the process of collecting receipts with classifications and rules, and then feeding that, importing it automatically into QBO. Reporting is strong. There's a lot of capabilities built into QBO. Many of these have been here for decades, actually. And I'm going to give you a taste of something that's new, a tool called Spreadsheet Sync. This is in the advanced version of QBO, and it's basically an add-in to Excel that allows you to refresh and pull in updated reports and have them essentially near real-time live. but it also lets you bi-directionally pull in data, and if I make an edit to an address, for example, I can then update and push that back into QBO. It's a key capability that doesn't exist in JobBoss2, and I know because customers have asked for it, and it can really help anytime there's a need to do a bulk update of customer, vendor, items, that sort of thing. It's a very powerful capability. Also on the list here is Fathom. It's a tool designed for KPI, trend, financial reporting to supplement what can be done in QBO. The key main benefit, and totally different, is the ability to do a financial forecast that's updated automatically as transactions get recorded in QBO, but allows you to build a up to 36-month future P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow statement based on a financial model and assumptions. It's a very powerful way of starting to look forward and not just at the historical results for your operation. And so we have other videos, and we'd love to talk to you. So please go ahead and look us up, reach out, fill out a contact form, or give me a ring. We'd love to talk about how we might be able to help your company leverage these two systems together. Thanks a lot.